YouTube channel to. I'm Juliana and this is Athena. So ngayon guys, mag-model. So, the best we can do, kayo guys magre-rate sa amin.
Kahit di kayo mag-subscribe guys, basta panoodin niyo po kami.
Okay, pwede nyo naman i-like. But before, please like and subscribe because we have a goal is to hit 1 million subscribers. So ngayon guys, mag-model tayo. So kayo mag-rate. Sana yung mga hindi nakaka-understand ng English, i-click nyo po dito yung parang translate and mag-translate yun. So,
Siya po nagsasalita kasi dito po kasi
okay. So, let's get started. So, ngayon guys, ako muna ay magmamodel. So, please rate me to 1 to 10. Okay, let's get started.
Go!
Hello, I'm Juliana and Valencia, and I'm 9 years old, and I'm from Pasay City, from Manila. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. So next guys is si Athena, ang aking friend. So let's go. Go.
Hello guys! My name is Athena. I'm 7 years old.
So, okay guys, i-rate nyo kami ng dalawa. Kung sino pinaka-favorite nyo sa amin. Right? Okay guys. So, this is all from now. We will be back soon.